You can get one for like 25 quid if you want, because I've got to buy one. I'd rather you get it.
Wait a minute.
Ow!
I literally was just moving the scab where
Exactly, it's actually really painful.
Do you want to hold my hand?
No, I just wanted to hurry up. This has got to take 2 minutes.
Well, I was...
Ow! Carla!
I'm not touching it.
You're okay.
What's the wrong bit?
You got to get the scab off.
Yeah.
The scab's going to be the worst part about it.
It's my hair that's stuck in it.
Damn. More tissue, please.
Is it working?
Yeah. Jesus.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
I know.
Just hold my hand.
Done?
No.
Come on, I want 2 pounds back for this. Shit to do.
Darren, it's fucking huge.
Stay still. Turn your head. Pick that scab off. That's it, get that off.
You're okay.
Do you want to hold Elisa's hand?
Turn your head. Right, it's ready now because the scab's clean off.
No, it's not, Mum. I'm lying.
Oh.
You haven't put that pin in this. You can't have saw. Ah!
You're okay.
No.
Darren, it's nearly finished.
Right, you're right my pillow.
What an anal, at least.
It sounds like it.
Don't.
Okay, we're there now. We're there now.
Right, done.
No! We're far from done.
You're not putting the pin in it. You're actually not.
You don't need to put a pin in
I don't
it.
need to.
Right, you can see the opening now.
Move your finger a little bit.
Wow.
Just stay still.
Mm-hmm.
It needs to be emptied.
Don't like when it rubs that way, it hurts.
Sorry, I'm just trying to get the hair that's stuck down. Do you know what I mean?
It's touched my bottom.
Distraction tactic.
Done.
No. Not far off it though.
It's like a growth.
Mm.
It actually is. It's got about three. It's got about 3 openings. You must feel a bit of relief after this.
No. No.
Is that it? Is that all you can take? Let's pick that bit of scab off just to get it out of the way. You
No.
can't
No,
be.
'cause that bit's really painful.
You
for
can't
him.
walk around with that scab on.
It's stuck to the hair.
Isn't it?
I can't.
It's all coming out,
We're nearly
Darren.
done.
I can't. It's
You can.
I need a spliff.
You just spliff.
Some heroin. Do you want to keep saying my name as well? Because it's really helpful that you're filming.
I mean, you said everyone else's.
Yeah.
Okay, you're not the one sickos doing this.
You need it doing, mate. We're doing you a favour.
Ow!
Oh, did you see that bit pop out?
Felt it.
I think we're getting to actually. I think we're actually getting to it now.
To my brain.
Yeah.
Right, take a deep breath, Darren.
No.
Bite.
3.
No.
Darren,
Two.
stay still.
It just popped up on me! Oh my god, that popped on my hand!
Done.
No,
Cara.
it's actually still quite big, really.
Cara, really cool.
Skydive out that window.
No, that's gone down loads.
It has.
Right. Deep breath. 3, 2, 1.
They're actually really sore.
There's a lot of blood. I ain't gonna lie.
Is that?
Yeah. Do you think that's enough for today?
Yeah.
Probably should have been actually.
No, because look, that bit's literally ready to come out.
Okay.
Stop it now. Stop it.
No, it's your noises.
Now.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
Okay.